In this video, we're going to show you how to resolve this issue with the Mac Burner. It says that it's damaged and can't be opened. It's not damaged and we can open it. We just need to change some things. In modern versions of Sierra up until Mojave, there are certain restrictions on installing new applications. Let's see how we can get around this. We need to type in sudo spctl two mid slashes followed by master, another mid slash, and disable, and then enter your administrator password. Once you've entered the password, hit enter and then it'll have made the changes. If we look into our security and privacy section of system preferences, we can see that now it says allow apps downloaded from anywhere. If you want to reverse these changes, you can also do the same command, but instead of disable, enter enable. Okay, now let's click on that file again to make sure it opens. There we go. Now we click open and the burner is open. Now we can choose our firmware from the list and press the flash button to burn the firmware. That's it for this guide. We're working on some much better, easier to use burner programs, but they're still in the works right now, but we'll be sure to let you know as soon as they're finished. See you next time.